Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video for day 2 of how you can use PrizeRebel every single day to make $5 or more to make extra money for your family and your bills. So let's get started. If you missed yesterday's video, you can go back and watch it. I'm at diamond level on PrizeRebel. They have a 15% bonus week from the 25th to the 29th. You can do your daily challenge. As you see here, I've already earned 31 cents out of 92 cents. When you reach your challenge, you get 5 points, 5 cents, and 1 raffle ticket. If you do that consecutively for 5 days, you get 30 bonus points. All right, so you can come down here if you like surveys and get busy on surveys. Every 100 points is $1, guys. That's how PrizeRebel works. You can also come up here and click on the offers tab. And I've already done some of these this morning. My favorite offer walls are AdGate and Revenue Universe. I also use Ascend to watch videos while I'm busy doing things. So you'll see here, click and explore your new car and you get 2 cents. Okay. You do these like diabetic friendly cocktail recipes, 32 cents, 17 cents. It all adds up, guys. The videos, you can come to Ascend Media, do your videos. They also have offers and surveys as well. Recipe, adventure, fix it. I just let these run. I don't physically watch them. Here are some of the other offer walls. Rewards. Let's go to the reward store because everybody likes that. You've got any store gift card that you can think that exists. There's pages and pages and pages of them. So if you want to make $5 a day or $10 a day, that's how I started. I would not get off PrizeRebel until I made $5 per day. That's $35 a week. There's pages and pages and pages. I stick with PayPal. I like the PayPal cash. I can transfer it to my bank and pay bills or whatever I need to do. But if you do this, you could have free gas every 2 weeks. You could have your cell phone bill paid. You could go out to eat with your family. You could pay down credit cards. Now, the biggest myth that everybody seems to think is, oh, they all get paid by referrals. They're not doing any of the work. And that's just simply not true. Why? Because people will click on your link, but then they won't sign up because they have to do the work in order to make the money. So I have 121 referrals. I've made $82.81 on my referrals. Total click 5,501. I got one yesterday, one click from my video yesterday. Nobody signed up. It's not all about referrals. My 31 cents I earned this morning. I did 2 offers. So like I said, my link will be in the description. You can click on it. You can join. It's completely free. And then you just go and start doing your offers. If you do your 72-cent surveys every day, you'll get to $5 faster. The bigger offers that you do, the faster you get to your goal. You can also do raffles and contests. I don't do those. But I just wanted to give you guys an overview of PrizeRebel, how it works, what you can do to earn some money every single day. You could never be broke with this. This is one stream of income. I'm going to start throwing in more apps and sites that I use. If you want to know other sites and apps that I use, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and go watch my videos because I have tons of videos on the sites and apps that I use every single day to make money. And every website and app is considered a stream of income, guys. So if you have PrizeRebel and you're making $5 a day, that's $150 average a month that you're just making from one stream. I have 15 or 20 websites and apps, okay? And they're all completely free. You just got to put in the work. So some of the common things that I hear are people, I can't do this. I can't do surveys. I can't do offers. Well, then you sign up and you turn on the videos and you let the videos run in the background while you're at work 8 hours. Then you come home, you convert those points, and you cash out. There's always something for everyone, and they always have some sort of a bonus, whether it's with surveys or offers or videos or referrals. Is it great to have a bunch of referrals? Yeah, start a YouTube channel, because at that point, you start the YouTube channel, you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and you can be monetized by YouTube, and bam, that's another stream of income. So you want to get as many streams of income that you can, because your 9 to 5 isn't cutting it anymore. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share. I hope that you guys enjoy these step-by-step videos. And I'll be back tomorrow for another video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.